Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create idea pins for Pinterest on Canva. And what idea pin is, first of all, it will look something like that on Pinterest. You're going to click on that, and as you can see, there's like a story. So it's like a story pin, like Instagram stories and so on. You can add many images or videos to your Pinterest. So first of all, to create one with Canva, you're gonna go to Canva, of course. If you have a pro version, that's really great. You can use a lot of fonts and so on, but today I'm gonna show you how to do this on free Canva. You're gonna click on create design on the top right corner, and you're gonna write down Pinterest. And as you can see, the Pinterest idea pin or video pin, it's the same. It's actually 1000 times 1500 pixels, as you can see right here. And now you're gonna create a Pinterest pins, like 5 of them. And today I'm gonna just show you with some templates. I'm not gonna create one from scratch, but of course, if you are promoting some type of product, you will add your product and so on. So just so you know, you can add lots of fonts here, change the fonts and so on. So you want to have a font which is readable, bright one, maybe even add some boldness to it, so people would read it better. Now I'm gonna go to the templates on Canva, and I'm gonna choose some designs, the free ones, because I'm on free Canva. So for example, let's choose this one, best tool to get remote work done. I'm just gonna click on all of those, and I'm gonna create a Pinterest pins. And now, as you can see, you have some pins here, some random ones today, but you will download all of them. So you're just gonna click on share, you click on download and choose the PNG one and all the pages. You're gonna download them, unzip the file on your downloads and on your computer, and you're then gonna go to Pinterest, click right here on the top left corner, and you're gonna create a pin, but not a simple pin, but idea pin. When you click on there, you're gonna just choose the file, drag and drop there, upload all of your files or your video, maybe, because video pin is the same as idea pin, as a story pin. And then you're gonna upload them to Pinterest, and that's basically it. That's how you create idea pins on Canva and upload them to Pinterest. So if you like this video, if I help you out, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.